Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to mathematics class for standard 5th. Chapter 14, How Big, How Heavy, Part 7. Students, what you are going to learn from this video? In this video, I am going to explain you about the exercises given in your Maths NCERT practice workbook. This workbook is actually being provided to you with the set of notebooks and textbooks. But suppose if this practice book is not with you, so no matter, students, you can write down whatever the PDF's written book I am sending it to you in your CW book. So no need to worry if you don't have the book. Students, now let us begin with the question 1 and 2 explanation of maths practice book.
Hello students, once again. Today you are going to learn practice books chapter number 14, How Big, How Heavy. Practice book which begins with the fill in the blanks. Students, I hope while taking the textbooks and notebooks set from the school, you are being provided with this kind of practice book. Okay, so this practice book is there with you, and in that, whatever the practice work is given to you, I am going to explain you that. Suppose you are not being provided with this kind of book. So students, if you don't have this book, write down whatever is there in your CW. I am going to provide the PDF file of this written work. So suppose if you don't have this kind of practice book, you will write down whatever the written content is there from the PDF to your CW. So let us begin with fill in the blanks. First question. It is dependent on the demonstration I had given you regarding that container of liquid, that is water, and in that I had put some of the object. After putting that object in the container, the water level rises. I am going to show you this like this. Now suppose this is a container where the markings are 10 ml, 20 ml, 30 ml. The water is filled till here. So this is a container having the liquid till 10 ml. But suppose if one marble is there, and after some time in the same container which is marked up to 10, 20 and 30, I put this in the container. So liquid now rises to this ml. Now listen carefully, I have not added any kind of water in the container, but I have added a marble. What is this? This is a marble, and it is now inside the container. So this is a flashback, right? After putting it inside the water container, the water level rises. So what is the volume of marble? The volume of marble will be the volume of container before adding marble. Volume of It will be greater than, correct? So after adding n, here it will be before adding. So the greater number is here, so that's why before adding will come first. That is 20 ml minus before adding, that is 10 ml. 20 ml minus 10 ml will give you 10. So the filling the blanks is like this. The amount displaced by any object poured in a liquid. Now this was water. Water is what? Water is a liquid. So in the liquid, when you put an object, the water is displaced. Displaced means changes its level position. The level was 10, then it changed to 20. So displacement is done. Now whatever the difference is there, that is actually the volume of that object. So the fill in the blanks you come to know the amount displaced by any object. So this is the amount which is displaced. A difference has come. Displaced means a difference. Before and after difference by any object poured in the liquid is called volume of the object. So what was the object here? The object was marble, and that marble's volume we had get as 10 ml. I hope student you understood this fill in the blanks. Now come here. The volume of a cube having edges 6 cm. Now if it is a cube has all the sides equal. As I had shown you in one demonstrating video that you are going to prepare an object, a cube with the 6 square papers. That is a cube which is square from all the sides. Let me show you the 3D figure of that cube. This is a square. Now if it is a cube, it will be like this. This is how we are going to get the 3D figure. This is called 3D figure. See, I'm going to join it now. Okay, so what is this? This is a cube. What it is? It is a cube having edges 6 cm. So this is length 6 cm. This is breadth 6 cm, and this is height. That is also 6 cm. Length 6 cm. Breadth is also called as width 6 cm. Height 6 cm. You have to find the volume of this. What do you mean by volume? When you put something inside, the container is full, and you fill the container of any object, any shape object. It is a cube, it is a rectangular parallelogram, or the cylinder you prepared with that cards. You remember? Okay, so whatever you put inside, and the container can hold that object or that thing you have put inside that is called the volume. Okay, and to find the volume, we have certain formulas for different shapes. We have different formulas. Now, if it is a cube, see, the formula of cube is, as all the sides are equal. First of all, let me tell you how the volume is measured taking the formula. It is always length multiplied by breadth multiplied by height. You remember? Okay, you just keep in your mind this formula. Now this is a cube where length is 6. That is length. Breadth is also having the similar length as length. So it is length. And height is also 36 multiplied by 6. What it will come? Correct. 216. It's 2, 1, 6. Now we have to write something which is very important. This is called the unit. If you don't write the unit, nobody will come to know that what calculation you have done. You have done area or you have done volume. For that reason, when you are taking the volume, you have to write cubic. This cubic is a word which tells that the calculation is for the volume. Why cube? Cubic means 3 sides. So we have taken 3 sides. Okay? We always take 3 sides. See, and red heart. So when you take 3 things together for multiplication, and that too maybe different or maybe same, they are actually giving you the volume, and the unit of volume is cubic. Actually full word is like this. C-U-B-I-C, cubic. But we write short form cubic dot. And then we write what the lengths are being given in the unit. Here 6 centimeter. Here 6 centimeter. Here 6 centimeter. All must be same. Centimeter, centimeter, centimeter. Then you have to write here after dot centimeter. So I hope students you understood that when you take out the volume calculation, the unit you will write as cubic centimeter. Now suppose if it is given as 6 meters, length 6 meter, height 6 meter, breadth 6 meter, length, breadth, height, all are given in meters. Then you will write cubic meters. Understood? Now let us move on to the next to fill in the blanks. So the next, third and fourth fill in the blanks are like this. The volume of bucket is measured in dash. Volume of bucket. You know what are buckets? See, these are buckets. Where you can hold it with the handle. Okay, these are called buckets. There are many shapes. Suppose a bucket is like this. You might have seen this, right? Buckets. just read the cartons, whatever written things are there, it is always written as 20 ml or maybe 50 ml. Right? But suppose if you go to take the whole bottle of that, your Maaza, right? Fruity comes in Maaza, right? So these are given as 500 ml, and if it is more bigger, then it comes as 1 liter. So why these things are having? See, the smaller, greater unit is liter. I explained it in the earlier video, right? Greater things are liters, and smaller ones, smaller unit of liter is ml. So if the container is smaller than liter, they are definitely going to give you mls. But if it is bigger, the bottle comes in a big size, right? 1 liter, 2.5 liter, like that. So the liquid is always measured in liters. We'll go to the next question. A living room. Living room is a room, maybe your hall. Living room is definitely a hall. Your house having one hall where the guest comes and sits, right? That is called a living room. That living room is having these dimensions. Now, what does dimensions mean? A combination or the multiples of length, breadth and height. When they are given in the multiple form, they are said to be as dimensions. And suppose if they are not given in multiple form, they are given with the words length, breadth and height. Then it is called as what? Dimensions. So here one room is there, living. It is having length, breadth and height, and it could be anything. See, you can say 20 meter is the length of the room. So length. And I repeat, water was 20 ml. The volume of a marble is 10 ml. Water plus marble, 20 plus 10 will give you 30 ml of the water. Understood? So, we have one marble of 10 ml from this question. Complete the following table, that means this table, by writing the volume of water raised or the numbers of marbles required to raise the given level of water. So here the level of water is raised and how many marbles I have put inside that is given. Sometimes you have to give the numbers of marbles and sometimes you have to find the number of or the water level raised in ml. Both the things you have to do. See, the first one is given to you. If it is 40 ml, then how many marbles are there? One marble, 10. Two marble, 20 ml. Three marble, 30 ml. Four marble, 40 ml. Four marbles, numbers of marbles are 4, 40 ml. How many marbles for 60 then? One marble, 10 ml. So 10 ml, 10 ml, 10 ml, 10 ml, 10 ml, 10 ml. All 10 ml will give you 60 ml. So how many marbles? 6. And like this. Now, you have to do this as homework. Understood? This question is homework for you. This is a homework for you. And this is also a homework for you. Okay then? We are going to meet soon with another video. Till then, have a great day ahead. Goodbye.
Thank you, students, for watching the video. We are going to meet soon in another video. Okay? Till then, have a great day. Have a good day ahead. Goodbye.